Hey guys, it's Metro coming to you from Dukes Creek Falls. In fact, I'm at the overlook, and if you look at my background, you can actually see Yona Mountain. So we're going to do a quick in and out hike down to the waterfalls and back. So let's keep moving. Alright, so we're at Duke Creek Falls, and I am making my way down to the waterfall. We're just down the street from Raven Cliff Falls, as well as Hogpen Gap Appalachian Trail. A lot of fond memories out here. It's one of my favorite places to be out here in Helen. Thing about going down, it's gonna have to come right back up. So if you have some strong legs, Alright, so we're back at the trailhead. This was a very easy, slightly moderate in some areas trail. So Duke Creek Falls is family friendly for the most part. Either way, 2 miles in and out, lots of waterfalls to see. However, the upper observation deck has been shattered due to a fallen tree, so keep that in mind if you're coming in the next 6 months. Either way, Metro on the move. Let's keep moving.